So sometimes you have to run when you don't feel like it, you know? And you have to have the audacity to do it anyway. And then sometimes you have days like this where it's raining heavily and obviously you can't go running, right? No, you still get out there and you do your run. Of course you be safe, but you still go after. Your dream is still the same. Just because obstacles come your way, just because you have a little hardship you have to face, doesn't mean that you give up on your dream. So, yeah, I almost turned around today, but I didn't. I figured, why not? Just go do it. So I'll be wet, soaking wet. But I did it, and I feel good because I did it anyway. So, yeah, you know, don't give up on yourself. Don't give up on your dreams. Life is beautiful. We're gonna have obstacles and trials and tribulations, but I'm here to tell you, life is beautiful. It is, even in the trial. So, yeah. Whoop whoop.